So I'm over here at Kingston, Massachusetts. Got an interior job to do. Gonna be changing this color from this beige to Benjamin Moore Chantilly lace. So I primed the walls and ceiling, and I just finished the second coat of Benjamin Moore Ultra Flat ceiling paint. So now I'm gonna start on the trim. I'm gonna be using Regal Select Semi-Gloss Prepackaged White, Benjamin Moore White. So I like to do the trim first. I don't do the baseboard, I just do like the door trim and the window trim. Then I'll hit the walls, and then I do the baseboard last. And that's how I've always done it. And it's a little easier cut, I think, cutting the wall to the window trim and the door trim, than to try to cut the trim to the wall. Oh, by the way, I'm using a 2.5-inch angled Corona brush. Really good quality brush. Don't skimp on your brushes. Hey, thanks for watching the interior painting job in Kingston, Mass, over on Silver Lake. Got the first coat on all the trim. Walls have been primed, ceiling's primed and painted, 2 coats. Next up, I'm gonna do one more coat on the trim, and then I'll start cutting these walls in. Make this place look sharp. I'm gonna use Benjamin Moore Chantilly lace, eggshell finish in Regal Select. Place will look sharp when it's all done.